Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my mask, it's hanging from my ear. I just had to run into a store and I don't feel like taking it off because I'm going to have to put it on again. Anyway, how cute is this darn mask? I got it from, it's like one of the surgical masks, which are really the only ones that I can breathe somewhat easily in. It's still pretty hard for me. I hate wearing masks. I don't think I have found anyone who loves wearing masks, but anyway, I found it at Ross and I love it, and it came in like a 6-pack, I think, with a white one, 2 white ones, 2 cheetah print ones, and 2 bright pink ones. Anyway, I'm so excited because I'm going into Trader Joe's. I've been to Trader Joe's once in my life, and I just see it hyped up so much here on YouTube, and I see so many hauls of yummy things that people get from there, and I am starting to count calories and things like that. I am actually starting a Biggest Loser thing here in Colorado. So it's like 3 months of being in the competition. You put in $30 and then you could possibly win like $300 to $600 depending on how many people enter it. So it's going to hold me accountable, because who wouldn't want to win money and who doesn't want to lose weight? I just want to lose at least 15 pounds is like my goal weight. So I'm really looking forward to it. I know I can hit it. When I count calories, my hair is looking insane today, guys, but I'm wearing this and a hoodie because it snowed here in Colorado. Can you believe that? It freaking snowed in the beginning of September. Usually it doesn't snow till the end of October, around like Halloween time. But anyway, I'm jibber jabbering probably because I'm excited. I definitely love food. I'm trying to eat healthy, but I do love, like I said, I love my food. I love food. So if I can find yummy meals that I won't go over my calorie count thing, then you guys know what I'm talking about. I feel like I come on here and I just can't figure out what I'm trying to say. But I'll show you a few things that I got from King Soopers. That is obviously not Trader Joe's, but there are a few things that I highly recommend and I love. I'll mention that in the end part of this video. But yeah, I just want to go and see what Trader Joe's has. I wrote on my Facebook asking a few people if they recommended anything, and I have a handful of things that y'all recommended, so I'm excited to pick those up and seeing if I can find them. Again, I've been to Trader Joe's once, and that was like 2 years ago, so I'm excited to go in the store and get some. I don't know if I'm going to be filming in the store particularly. We might possibly do that, but I will show you everything that I got when I'm home. See you guys in a bit. Like a Hellcat. Alright, back from Trader Joe's, and I got a lot of tasty goodies. I went to King Soopers as well, so I'll show you guys a few things like I mentioned from there as well. And yeah, I'm going to flip the camera around and show you guys what I got. So they were pretty busy in the store, and people don't know how to say excuse me there, which drives me nuts. But anyway, I got the buttered chicken with basmati rice. I thought this looked really good. It has, I don't know if this is like a single meal. It kind of looks like it'd be like a single meal, but it just looked good. And it's Indian. Did not notice that. My twin sister recommended their mac and cheese, so I didn't know which one she recommended, so I got 2. I got the gluten-free mac and cheese one, and then I got the reduced guilt mac and cheese, and they both look freaking delish. Obviously, I got another one of those down there, just something good to have in the freezer. She also recommended the chicken fried rice, so this just looks delicious. This will be like a really good dinner. You can make some like Brussels sprouts on the side. I had one of my friends on Facebook recommended the I love the honey walnut shrimp from Panda Express, and she said this tastes just like it. So of course I had to get 2 bags of it. Yum, yum, yum. I got some Mandarin orange chicken. These are all sweating because I need to put them in the fridge. I got some sweet potato fries. I love sweet potato fries. My sister Emily recommended the chili lime chicken burgers. I'm so excited. I showed Matt this. He's like, yum. I saw this. I've never seen anyone talk about this before, but I just thought it looked interesting and very tasty, so I'm sure you guys will see this in a video. I got some beef in broccoli, just like the Panda Express kind. I got me some hamburger buns, just because we're going to do some Boca Burgers soon. And then I got myself a Southwest salad. I just thought this looked delish. Of course, I got me some cookie butter. This is definitely one that was recommended. Do not refrigerate. So yeah, excited to try that out. I got some of these. These are like the Indian style flatbreads, and Matt and I are going to make some homemade pizza with that. I got some shelled edamame, which I love adding this to really anything. Edamame is so low in calories, and it's very good for you. I got these for Hunter. I'm excited to see how he likes it. They're PB&J crispy peanut butter filled wafer sticks with raspberry fruit dip. I might have to try one of these myself. Ooh, 270 calories. That's a bit crazy. But yeah, I will show you guys a few things that I got at King Soopers. I got this bread right here. Honey sweet 100% whole wheat bread. This is only 60 calories per slice, which is awesome because I was looking at the other bread and like, let me show you. This bread right here that I got for Hunter, which I usually would get. Oh, it says 2 slices, 120 calories. So I guess this is not any less of calories. But hey, it's organic. Wow, I totally read that wrong. So I was thinking that was like over there was 120 calories for just one slice. So yeah, I got some English muffins, the multi-grain ones, some regular ones. Oh yeah, this, I watched tons of videos about Trader Joe's and what people recommended, and they said that these were delicious. They're the Parmesan Crisp, which these will be so good when I make some pasta. I love these tortillas if you are counting calories and you like wraps and stuff. These are perfect because only one of these tortillas has 50 calories, which is like such good calories. A good amount of calories for one tortilla. Not a bad amount of calories. You guys know what I'm saying. I got some of these blue chips, no salt added because we like to do nachos around here. Obviously trying to be good. Got myself some carrots. I love these little guacamole pouches because I like to make avocado toast, and some Southwest chopped salad, some Asian salad. This one looked so good to me. It's a Hawaiian one. I'm excited to try that one out. And then obviously lactose milk. So it's nice looking on here. Look at that. That's not even like half the groceries that I got. I just kind of like spread it around to show you guys. But I am excited to try so many new things and try to just, I mean, obviously some of this stuff is not healthy, but you only live once. And as long as I'm like having vegetables and things like that, you know, and not overeating, then I feel like I'm totally fine. Oh, I also wanted to show that obviously hummus is a very healthy snack, and Hunter loves hummus, so that makes me really happy. I got 2 of these because the roasted red pepper is the best kind. And then I saw that they had the Boar's Head like chocolate, the dark chocolate dessert hummus. I just took a finger out of it, you know, and licked it, my finger, and it's pretty good. It's not like too chocolatey, but it's something that, and I think Hunter would kind of like with some fruit or something. And then I did pick up some Smart Taste spaghetti. Yes, 1 second. And then some of the healthier pasta too. Okay, so these are not from Trader Joe's, but I do want to show you guys these. I just went to my King Soopers, which is like Kroger's. And I picked some of these up. My friend Hannah totally got me hooked on the Boca Burgers. So these are all-American veggie burgers. Now, nothing against, you know, I'm not vegetarian or vegan or anything like that. I do eat meat still, but to be honest, I kind of prefer these over like regular meat hamburgers, and the protein in them are amazing, and they're 60% less fat than ground beef, and like I said, they taste so much better. So I got those, and then I have tried the these ones. Wait, which ones are different? Oh, these ones right here. These are the vegan ones. So these are veggie, these are vegan, and these one taste just as good. I got the really big box of these because these are delicious. And yeah, I picked up some Bokeh original veggie crumbles, which are awesome. Hold on one second. Yeah, 1 second, Bubba. I feel like I can use this in kind of really anything that I want to use. I'm definitely going to be doing eat with me, like what I eat in a day videos. So you'll see that. I got some of these, which I'm excited to try. I saw some kind of different reviews on them, so I'm kind of curious if they're good or not. So I'm crossing my fingers. And then also wondering if these chicken nuggets are going to be good or not too. So I will definitely let you guys know in a video if they're good or not. But yeah, I highly recommend this brand. They are delicious. Well, the burgers are. Not quite sure on these yet, but I'm crossing my fingers. So I randomly put these over here. So I got to show you guys. I got these two things as well. The organic latte, I think I said that right, corn chip dippers. And these are Mexican style street corn flavored seasoning. I'm so excited to try those out. Yum. And then of course I had to get the famous dark chocolate peanut butter cups. I might have to try one of these like right now. Yum. If you have not tried these, highly recommend. I love the fact that they're dark chocolate, because when I have dark chocolate, I tend to only really want like a little bit of it because it's kind of rich. These aren't too rich though, but it's 140 calories for two, so it'll be worth it. Excuse me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure you hit that like button. Be sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. If you want to see more Trader Joe hauls and grocery hauls and what I eat in a day videos and like my weight loss journey and stuff like that, definitely let me know down below. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.